Hello guys, it's me Shraddha and welcome back on Timeline and History. So today is 3rd December and we are going to fact check what such happened in the history that it made its record, that it made its significance in today's date. So today I'm going to touch a little bit of science. We are going to talk a little bit about heart. Now heart is a complicated topic though. It is complicated because of human emotions and equally complicated because of science and its facts. So when it comes to humanly emotions, that complications are also created by us humans, and when it comes to scientific complications, that complications are also created by us humans only. But when it is scientific complication, we need specific doctors, and no love doctors can help us in that situation. So by now, while everyone has started guessing like where am I heading towards with this hard topic today, so don't worry, I'm not going to start with any love story, but it is a first invention or first attempt which was successful. 3rd December is the date when first successful heart transplant was carried out in Cape Town, South Africa in the year 1967. This heart transplant was performed on a 53-year-old Louis Washkensee at Groote Schuur Hospital in Cape Town, South Africa. He was chronically ill, or we can say he was suffering from chronic heart disease, and he received this transplant from a 25-year-old lady who had suffered brutally or fatally, we can say, in a car accident. Now this successful heart transplant was carried out by Christian Barnard, who was trained in the University of South Africa and previously in the University of America. Now it is not that this was directly tried on a human being or a surgery was directly performed. This was first tried on a dog in the year 1958 in University of California, which was successful. Later on it was tried on human beings. So saying about this first significance, successful heart transplants are still carried out, still performed, and they are more successful now. Like the person lives longer after a heart transplant as compared to what it happened during the previous years. But until date today, it is very difficult to find an appropriate donor or a donor who matches with the patient who actually needs the heart, and many lives are still lost. But an attempt towards organ donation can always solve this issue. That's what I would say about the first significance of today's date. Now moving on to the second fact related to 3rd December, it comes all the way from India itself. So 3rd December is the date. Now this is a very conflicting date too, because some websites or some historians say it is 3rd December while others say it is 4th December. Any which ways I am going to mention it, be it today or be it tomorrow, because I find it something very important to mention. 3rd December in the year 1829 was the date when the Widow Act, or more commonly known as Sati Pratha or Sati Act, was banned in Bengal by the then Viceroy of India, Lord William Bentinck. After a long struggle by Raja Ram Mohan Roy, finally in the year 1829 he got success, and this act was permanently banned in Bengal, and later on from Bengal this started moving to other parts of the country. So to give a little information about what is Sati Pratha or Widow Act, for the people who don't know what this actually is, so in the past, during mainly in the Hindu religion, this was followed, that when a husband used to die, his wife or his widow was burnt alive on his funeral. So that is what was Sati Act was, and this Sati Pratha was stopped on this 3rd December in the year 1829. So this was a very important significance of today's date. Going towards last section of today's date, 3rd December is internationally celebrated as Thankful for Roof on Your Head Day. Very new to me, especially. I don't know about you guys, but it is very new to me, and it is something that we never think about, or we rarely or barely think about. Being thankful for the roof on our head is something we should really be thankful for, because we see many people around us who are homeless, who don't have a roof, who don't have family, who don't have a proper food to eat even once in a day. And we are the people who are always complaining that we don't have this, we don't have that, we don't have a time to go to movies or to theaters or to hotels or this that. But these little things which are very important, we are barely thankful about that. So I have given you an important day, a nice reason to be thankful about the roof on your head. Enjoy your day, enjoy Thursday. See you tomorrow with more interesting facts, more new facts related to this days. Please like, please comment, please subscribe the channel. Your subscriptions, your comments are really very important to me, and I am very thankful for those. See you tomorrow. Until then, take care and bye bye.